Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today we are going to go over some good items we've gotten from jobs, and today's video is all about DVDs and books. So we've gotten some DVDs and books from a job recently, and we're gonna try to sell them on eBay and see if we get anything for them. So that's what today's video is about. All right guys, so here is what we got. I'm not gonna show you exactly every single DVD we got. We got some Blu-rays there. I got 2 laundry baskets here full of more DVDs, and these are really the only books we got. I did get like some Narnia books. I got some other Twilight books, and I had the other Harry Potter book, but my wife took those for her personal collection. So I'm gonna just list all these and we're gonna see what we get for them. I'm hoping to get at least like $5 each, but some of these are actual sets like this, 24. I don't know if anybody watches it, but we'll find out. So I'm not gonna show you every single thing that I list, but if I find something on eBay that is going for a decent price, I'm gonna show you guys that. All right guys, so I actually wanted to show you, I just used the mobile app. So right here is the eBay app. You can download that on, I mean, this is an Android, but you can download it on iPhones or Androids. So you click on that, we're gonna go to search eBay. So I'm there. And now I'm gonna get this DVD, which is the 24 Kiefer Sutherland 24 season 5. And what we're gonna do is press this scan button, and right there it comes up. So what we're gonna do is go to filter. We're gonna go down to show more sold items. So it's gonna show 49 results. So this is sold recently. It's the 28th today. So that sold on the 27th. For $460, and you can kind of go through here to get you a price. So really it's not looking too good. It sold for $10 there, $10 there, $2 there. So I think I'm gonna try to put it at like $5, but that just shows you how easy it is to list it. So if I did want to list it, I just press the back button, search this again. I could click on one of these and I'm gonna go down to sell one like this. So now all I'm gonna do is just add my own pictures, and I will take new pictures. Press done. I mean, obviously we can take more pictures, but that just shows you guys. And then all you have to do is pretty much they have all the information right in there already. So then you just go to your starting bid. And I don't like to do the auctions anymore. So I'd click off of auction. See, it already gives me an option of $524 as the online trending price. So I will just keep it at that. Now we're gonna select service. We'll do USPS medium mail, that's the cheapest. And then we're gonna do list your item. Now you can list up to, I think, 250 items for free. So now I'm gonna always press promote listing. If you see here, it says 4% of the final sale price, 21 cents. I'm gonna just do that. And then we're gonna press done. So I know that one seemed like it took a minute, but it really, once you get the hang of it, it goes pretty quick. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna start going through these fairly quickly. Obviously that one was, you know, a whole set in the whole season, but that was only $5. So maybe this won't be worth it, we'll find out, but maybe I will find some that are worth 20, 30 bucks. So I'm gonna just get to it guys, and I'll keep you updated. All right guys, so I put all these DVDs out so we could look at them before I start posting them. So right here we got, these are all brand new, still in the original package. We got The Sound of Music, Edward Scissorhand, a bunch of them. And then over here we got brand new Blu-rays still in the box. So we got all the Mad Men, we got Good Will Hunting, The Hangover. And up here we have a bunch more Blu-rays. I'm not gonna go through and name all of them, but as you can see, there are some good ones. We got Back to the Future, the whole, all the movies there. And then these are just regular movies. We got The Cable Guy, Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle, and obviously just a ton of them. Hopefully somebody will buy these, so we will find out very shortly. I just wanted to kind of show you guys how many DVDs they had. So this was someone's entire collection. Dazed and Confused, you got right there. Gold member. And then up here, we got even more Jaws, Resident Evil, Hellboy. And then these are actually like seasons. So we got Nip Tuck, you got The Wizard of Oz there, David Chappelle Show, that all the Breaking Bads, and Snow White. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can sell any of these, and then I will let you guys know, like I said, all the ones that I look up and they actually are worth more than like $5-10. I'll show you guys all those. All right guys, I just got done listing all of these collection sets, I guess you want to call them, that have multiple DVDs in them. And basically this whole set here, I got everything listed for about $5. So I mean, even there was Breaking Bad, a couple other ones. This is the Dave Chappelle show, you can't see it, but those all went for like $5 on eBay. And these ones right here, Snow White, Wizard of Oz, and Nip Tuck, those were about $10. And this one was the highest one on there, Close Encounters. So I never even heard of that. Yeah, overall, not too bad. I mean, shipping on these should be fairly easy, but I mean, just off the bat, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 14 of those times 5, 3 at $10 each, and 1 at $20. So I'll do some math and try to add it up in the video for you guys as well, and we can get a total of what we have the potential of making. But those were the box set ones, so let's just keep going. I'm gonna go and do the Blu-rays next. I actually have some unopened ones as well, so I'll probably do those, and then we'll see about the regular DVDs. If I can't even get $5 for them, I'm probably not gonna even bother posting them. I'll just take them to Goodwill or something like that. So, all right guys, well, let's get back to it. That took me about 10 minutes to list all those, by the way, just in case you were wondering. All right guys, so now I posted all the sealed regular DVDs and the Blu-rays. This one was $5, this Hot Shot. And then these ones were actually, the Monster Squad was like $30 online, trending, brand new. And this movie, 7. And then this was actually like $50 online. So this Metallica brand new sealed package, but we'll see. I got it like for 45 or something. But yeah, so then we got 145, 2 at 30, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at 15. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at $10, and then 1 at $5. So we'll add that up and then we'll get onto these. So I might actually do these Blu-rays first. Hopefully we can get some money for those. And then we'll go on to the regular DVDs. All right guys, before I even got to finish this video, we actually sold this on eBay for $15. And we sold this Knights and Demons for $17. I'm actually on these Blu-ray ones right now, but we already sold these two. So it's the second day and I'm just getting started on listing the rest of these. But we already got 2 sold in one day, so I thought that was pretty good. 15 and 17 bucks already. All right guys, I got done listing these Blu-rays. I did sell a couple of them like I just said, but these are all ones that I posted that eBay actually recommends what to post them at. And these were all about $5. There might be one in here that was like $3, but I was surprised. This is all the Back to the Futures and that was only $5. Up here you got Forrest Gump, that was only $5. But those are all $5, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 28, 29, 30 of those at $5. So that's like 150 bucks if they sell. So like I said, who knows, I might be sitting on these forever. So I might wait a month or 2 before I finish this video and see how many more sell, but I already sold 2 just in the making of this video. So these ones are $10. The Santa Claus, old Santa Claus movie, and Mimic. Then these ones were all 15. Drag Me to Hell, never heard of it. Alien, the whole, I guess, season of that. And this Fright Night here, those were all 15. This one was $20, the X-Files. Then we got, these ones were all like 30 to 40 bucks. The Mel Brooks collection, which I thought was cool. It's got off his best films, it says. And then these Metallica ones. This is the Big Four, I guess. That one was worth like 40 bucks. And this one was worth 40 bucks. And then this other Metallica was worth 50 bucks. So yeah, that's real surprising. I mean, obviously that's a big metal band, so they must have a good following if somebody's still gonna buy a Blu-ray for that much. So let's see, we got 2 at 10, that's 20, 3 at 15, we got 1 at 20, and then we got these ones, let's just say they're all 30, so it's easier. 3 at 30, we got 1 at 50. So we'll add all that up and see what that comes out to be. And now I get to list all of these. So these actually took me about, I don't know, 30 to 45 minutes to list all of them. So this is gonna take probably an hour or 2. So we're gonna see if they're not worth anything. I'm not even gonna list them. We had this movie that actually didn't have the disc in it. So it's a good thing we checked that, because that would suck to send that out and get that sent back. But yeah, let's go on to the next one. All right guys, we got them all listed now. So First, we got these three stacks, and these were all about $3 each, maybe, you know, $4 or $2. $2.50 I think is the lowest. I said I wouldn't really post anything below $5 to $10, but I already had them basically posted, and there was a lot of them. So let's count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, 22, 23, 24. So basically 3 at 24, so like 72 there. So 72 times 3 for that total. And then we come over here. These ones were all about $5 right here. And we got, let's see, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 of those at $5 each. So we'll get a total on that. And then these ones were either 10 or 15, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll just say 10 so it's easier math. So that's $90 there. And then we got these ones which were like $20 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those at $20 each. And then we'll go over these ones. Were actually, I think this one was like $30, Alvin and the Chipmunks. This Parker Lewis Can't Lose was like $30. Never even heard of that. Metallica, those ones have been high the whole time. And then this is like a horror movie that must be hard to find, and that one was like $30 or something. This one might have been 40. Let's just say they're all 30, so you got 4 of them at $30 each, so another 120. We got this book. This is a Calamity of Physics or something. It was only like $3 when I posted that, and this Dexter book was only like $5, which I thought that would be worth a little bit more. It's a pretty popular series. Then the Harry Potter book was like $7. Breaking Dawn was $8, and this Weird Pennsylvania book was $8. So those ones weren't bad. So we got, we'll just say 2 at $3, $6, and then 3 at $8, so 24. And then we got these. The Bruce Campbell Way is actually worth $11, which I was surprised it was worth more than the Harry Potter book. And this book, I didn't even know they had this. Complete Idiot's Guide to the Last Days. So, I mean, if you want to learn what the Bible, I'm guessing, talks about, you could read this. But, I mean, usually I've never seen them like this, so that was just funny to me. But these both were like $10, so we'll say 2 at 20, or $20 total. This was $40, and it's the first 4 books of the Harry Potter collection. So really, they're probably worth $10 each, but so we got $40 there. So we'll add all those up, and we'll add in all the DVDs. But let's see what our total is. So I'm gonna put the total right now of our potential for all these DVDs. So as you can see, it's a pretty high number. So yeah, overall, I think it is worth it to post DVDs and books. They don't take up that much space overall either, and they're pretty easy to post because you can just scan them right in and they come right up on eBay. You know, some of the other stuff I post, you have to actually research what it is, and it's sometimes hard just finding the actual name to list it under. So overall, I think they're not bad. We got the total up of what we have the potential of making. Like I said, I already did sell some of them, and who knows, some of these might sell faster than others. So I'll leave a comment after this video's post. If you got any other questions or anything, or if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and a like, and we'll see you guys next time.